Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Check that Roblox is updated and your account is signed out. Once done, restart your router and PC to clear transient network issues. This prevents intermittent drops that cause retry loops. Then sign back into Roblox so the client requests fresh session tokens from the server. Make sure to close any VPNs or proxies now, because they change routing and often trigger retries. Doing this first removes common causes before deeper steps. Next, tackle the middle steps that actually fix retry errors. Flush your DNS and renew your IP so stale entries stop redirecting traffic. Once complete, clear Roblox cache and temporary files to remove corrupted assets that cause reattempts. Then, temporarily disable firewall or security software to confirm they aren't blocking ports. If disabling fixes it, add Roblox to allowed apps. Make sure to re-enable protections after testing, and note which setting changed so you can. To finish, reinstall the Roblox client to replace damaged binaries and reset configuration. Once reinstalled, test the game. If retries continue, try connecting via a mobile hotspot to determine if your ISP or local network is the issue. If the hotspot works, contact your ISP with that evidence. Finally, check Roblox server status and community reports because sometimes retries are due to server-side outages. If servers are down, wait rather than chasing local fixes, but note this single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.